Welcome, and from me is a OPPO A9 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on the device. So to get started, all you need to do is hold your finger on the screen, hopefully not somewhere where there's a widget, like so. Okay, and then you'll find a wallpaper in a second basically toggle, so tap on it. It shows you all the preloaded wallpapers which you can tap on to see how it will look in real time. So there's multiple of them to choose from, or you can also go into the settings or into your photo album. So just skip this. I think this will actually stay right now. You could also go, for instance, into your photo album, wherever it is, photos right here, and oops, I just allow the access, allow, and I don't want to back up, keep off. And from here you can, for instance, go into downloaded images or somewhere, or to your photos, depending on what you want to choose, and then tap on three dots. And you should have option to use as wallpaper, and then tap on set as. And here have a couple options. You can set it as your lock screen, home screen, or set it as both. So I'm just gonna set it as my home screen, like so. And now if you quit, you can see that there's the wallpaper that I have set. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.